Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a dual monitor setup, whether you're gaming, editing videos, working from home, or just need more screen real estate, you know that the right cables make all the difference. Today we're diving into the best DisplayPort cables for dual monitors in 2025. Now you might be thinking, it's just a cable, right? How much does it really matter? Well, stick around because choosing the wrong cable can leave you dealing with flickering screens, signal drops, or worse, bottlenecking your expensive monitors at lower resolutions and refresh rates. Product 5 40GB ADS fiber optic DP 2.1 cable, 16.5 fit, 8K at 60 Hz. Ever experienced screen flicker during intense gaming sessions? Frustrated by lag or signal loss at high resolutions? Tired of cables that can't handle your monitor's refresh rate? Annoyed by artifacts or audio-video sync issues? Worried about cable durability after frequent plugging and unplugging? Meet the VISA-certified DP40 fiber optic DisplayPort cable. Enjoy ultra-fast 40 Gbps stable data transmission with zero signal loss. Supports up to 16K at 30 Hz, 10K 30 Hz, 8K at 60 Hz, and 4K at 165 Hz. Perfect for FreeSync and G-Sync, no more flicker or tearing. Triple shielding and graphene layer block, electromagnetic interference. 24K gold-plated connectors ensure lasting durability and stable signals. Latch-free design prevents damage to your monitor and graphics card. Tested for over 28,000 bends, built for long-term reliability. Compatible with all DP devices, gaming monitors, PCs, projectors. Upgrade your setup for smooth, immersive gaming and pro-level visuals. Check the product link in the description and see how next level your display can look. Product 4 FibiBR 80GB PSDP 2.1 cable VISA certified 5-fit, still using standard DisplayPort cables for your high-end setup? Let's compare regular DP cables to the FibiBR 80GB PSDP 2.1 cable. Typical DP cables max out at 32.4 Gbps, limiting speed and stability. FibiBR delivers VISA-certified 80 Gbps, ensuring ultra-stable, zero-lag transmission. Regular cables often struggle with high refresh rates and resolutions. FibiBR supports up to 16K resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate, no motion blur. Standard cables may cause screen tearing and ghosting during fast gameplay. FibiBR is fully compatible with G-Sync, FreeSync, FEC, and DSC technologies. Color depth on typical cables is limited, affecting editing and design accuracy. FibiBR offers 12-bit color, 130% BT, 709 gamut, and dynamic HDR for pro visuals. Audio quality on standard cables can lack detail and immersion. FibiBR features 32-bit audio channels for precise, immersive sound. See the difference? FibiBR's premium build and shielding ensure signal integrity. Upgrade to FibiBR for esports stability, creative clarity, and future-proof performance. Don't settle for bottlenecks. Choose Fibber DP80 for your next-level setup. Check the product link in the description and see why gamers and creators trust FibiBR for next-level performance. Product 3 Silklin 80GB PS DisplayPort 2.1 cable 8K 4K gaming. Ever experienced screen tearing or lag during intense gaming? Frustrated by blurry visuals and low refresh rates on your monitor? Annoyed by cables that can't handle high resolutions or fast speeds? Tired of unreliable connections and frequent signal drops mid-game? Wish your multi-monitor setup could be smoother and more immersive? Introducing the Silklin VISA-certified DP 2.1 cable, Game Changer. With 80 Gbps bandwidth, it supports 8K at 240 Hz and 16K or 60 Hz displays. Enjoy seamless, lag-free gameplay with VRR, FEC, and ALL-SIM technologies. Dynamic HDR10 Plus brings out every detail in dark and bright scenes. 24K gold-plated connectors ensure stable, corrosion-free connections. Triple shielding and tinned copper wires block interference for clarity. MST technology lets you expand your gaming world across multiple monitors, compatible with top gaming monitors and the latest graphics cards. Plug and play design, no latch, no hassle, just pure performance. Upgrade to Silkland and experience ultra smooth, professional visuals. Check the link in the description and upgrade your setup today. Product 2. DisplayPort to dual DisplayPort splitter adapter. Ever wished your desktop could do more instantly? Watch this. One DisplayPort, now powering two 4K monitors. No complicated setup, no drivers, just plug and play. Boom! Ultra HD 4K at 60 Hz on both screens side by side. Multitasking? Stream, code, design, all at once, no lag. Switch to mirror mode for powerful presentations anywhere. Or extend your workspace for ultimate productivity. Perfect for gamers craving immersive dual-screen action. Office pros, spread out spreadsheets, emails, and meetings. Tech lovers, level up your workstation instantly. Powered by micro USB for stable, reliable performance. Supports DisplayPort 0.4. Future-ready, ultra-compatible. Compact, portable. Take your dual display anywhere. No more cable chaos, no more limits. Upgrade your desk. Tap the link in the description to grab yours now. Product 1. 60 DP in 1.4 to dual HDMI 2.0 adapter. I'm today tired of switching between screens and losing productivity. Meet the DGY-BDFC 4K 60 Hz DisplayPort to dual HDMI adapter. Reason 1. Effortlessly connect one DisplayPort to two HDMI monitors. Perfect for multitasking, gaming, or professional presentations. Reason 2. Enjoy ultra-clear 4K at 60 Hz resolution on both screens. Experience vivid colors and crisp details for every task. Reason 3. Plug-and-play setup, no drivers or hassle required. Just connect, power up, and you're ready to work or play. Supports both extended and mirrored display modes on Windows. Switch between modes for maximum flexibility and productivity. Compact, portable design fits perfectly in any workspace. Ideal for office workers, gamers, and tech enthusiasts alike. Remember, use DP 1.4 and HDMI 2.0 cables for best performance. Upgrade your productivity today. Check out the product link in the description and see how it can power up your workspace.